Yeah, man.
Aye.
Try one more. Okay. Hey guys.
Aye.
So I don't know if y'all watched our old,
like old.
like one of our first videos together.
I'm forgetting how old Shugga is. Damn. Yeah, that's an old video though.
Only a few months you dragged it. Anyways, we did a L.F lemon infused mask video. It was cute. It was cute.
You cute.
And we're coming back and we're doing it a second time with a different. It's still an L.F mask, but it's a different kind.
That L.F mask promised that I'm gonna look good after.
It said
everything.
you were gonna look like refreshed. It was a brightening mask.
And your face did look old and tired.
Check out the video because we did look really like illuminated.
No.
I haven't done a mask in a long time, so I decided to just get one for me and Ray. So this one, okay, it's a coconut infused nourishing.
And this is not a promotion by L.F or nothing like that, so I can talk all this shit I want to talk.
They're good though.
The last one
I tried basically all of them. They were pretty good.
The last one I did, it promised a lot, and
it didn't. It worked for me.
Shugga was like, "Oh Ray, you look now. Ben look good. This ain't nothing new." Shugga noticed.
Anyways, and we're gonna be talking about. So this is like a little story time mask video. So we're gonna be talking about our first date too while we're doing this, because we gotta put this on for like 15 minutes. So by the time the 15 minutes end, we should be done with story time and the mask should be coming off. Okay? All right. So let's start. Let me put a timer on because last time we did not time it.
We didn't even put it on yet. How you gonna time this on time?
Yeah, you're right.
Why Shugga bugging?
Okay. So
that was mine.
Basically, if you guys have watched our previous story times, what did we talk about? We talked about the night we met
and the arguments.
and our like basically our breakups, but we never talked about our first date. So we was always supposed to. I've been procrastinating it. So.
And I think it's a perfect time to talk about this because it's Black History Month, and you get the idea when we talk about the date.
Oh yeah. I didn't even think of that. But basically, let me help you with yours first, because last time you was having trouble.
What you mean I'm gonna have trouble? You know who I am. Please.
So basically, we met the night of Super Bowl,
which was February 4th.
Yeah, and then we was talking a little bit, but the day we decided to go on our first actual. And let me just say this: I asked out on a date because she always make it seem like, oh, Ray don't do the things that he's supposed to do as a man. I asked Shugga out on a date. I'm like, can I take you out on a date? That was after your friend. Whatever. We're not getting into this. Yeah, this is already an old video.
Shugga, I got this. Why does it smell like coconut?
Because it's coconut infused. Ray!
It touched my lip, baby. I want to make sure.
Close your mouth. Roll your lips in. What the heck? It's good. It's good. So.
Is it touching my eyeball, baby?
No. So, we had our first date like February 16th. And it might have some significance to other people. I don't know, but it was the premiere of Black Panther. Hold on, let me get my mask on first before we start.
I'm reading what it says on the bag, guys. Coconut water-infused moisturizing mask. Skin paradise is closer than you think. This coconut water-infused sheet mask hydrates your skin for a plump, moisturized complexion. By L.F.
Okay, I'm ready.
See how this goes. Actually, you look beautiful. Sorry, because I know how you look under the mask, but you do look beautiful with the mask on.
Okay, started 15 minutes to counting. So, the first night he had bought tickets to the premiere of Black Panther.
And might I just say that those tickets are very expensive. Keep going, Shugga.
I would like to say I'm a very not expensive girl, but I'm worth it.
She's hard to take care of.
That's a lie. Anyways, so he got the tickets for the premiere night, and like it started off really nice. Like I had hung out with him before, but it was only for a few hours at his house, like here in the room. We didn't do nothing. It was just like we just would talk and watch a few shows. And then I went home to my mom's house.
We didn't do anything. We didn't do it. I don't know if that people might think, oh, we didn't do anything.
Yeah.
No kiss, nothing. We didn't do anything.
Don't talk about no kiss. Anyways, because that's a big part of the story. So he comes by my mom's, since my mom is 2 blocks away. He ordered the Uber.
I ordered the Uber from my place. Shugga, get the story right, please.
From his place.
I told the Uber, I put it in the app, I told the Uber to stop by her place and pick her up. And then bring us to the movies. And it was really cute. Did you knock on the door? No, that night the Uber pulled up. I texted her, we outside. I thought Shugga would have been ready at the door, because I told her, I called the Uber and the Uber is on the way. I thought she would have been outside waiting for us or something.
Nah.
We pulled up, no sign of Shugga. I texted her, yo, what we outside.
That's not what you texted me. Don't
what did I say?
Don't try to act different in this story.
Nah, baby.
You were just like, we're outside. Don't act like you was rushing me, because you was not rushing me.
I told her we outside. I stepped out the car and I opened the door.
He had the door waiting for me outside. Mind you, it was cold because it's February. But he was outside. He was looking really nice. With his green jacket and his black shirt, his haircut, whatever. He thinks he's cute, whatever.
She walked in and I closed the door behind her. You know, regular Raymond Kelly stuff. I don't gotta explain myself too much on that. Shugga walk in the car, I go around, and I go on the other side, and we in the car. Did you feel like the conversation was kind of awkward on the way?
I felt like it was awkward, but only because one, the driver was there, and I had never really been in a car with you, like for like that. So it was like, I felt more comfortable the night that I met you not the night I met you, but when we hung out for that first time over here. So it was like we didn't really talk that much. Not really. Did we talk at all?
Yeah, we did.
Like little.
That would have been too weird to be quiet the whole time. But we talked. Got to the movies, right? As you guys know, there was no problem getting in, because you know how people sometimes first dates are usually bad or things like that. There was no problem getting into the movies. I already had the tickets and everything was first, so we literally just showed the thing and we walked in. Yeah,
and then we got some snacks.
You got snacks?
We got the biggest thing of popcorn.
I got Shugga whatever the hell she wanted.
Yeah, we did not finish that at all. It was garbage. It was wasted at that. I felt so bad. No, I took that home. Did I take it home? No, you threw it out.
Left it.
You threw it out. You threw it out. And so we got our drinks, our snacks, whatever. So we go, we watch it. We watch Black Panther.
But that movie was good. I mean, everybody should know the movie was good.
It was good. Yeah, you know some people think it's overrated.
No, Black Panther was good. Y'all need to shut up.
Good. I think Avengers was better, but Black Panther.
Infinity War was good.
Infinity War is better, but Black Panther is really good.
I liked it.
So the conversation was just like we were like talking during the movie, like laughing and little stuff, because I don't know. I guess I was just starting to feel comfortable. We were starting to feel comfortable with each other, so we just laughing and having a good time.
Definitely. And it was late because I had work that day. So we went to the movie really late. So when we finished the movie, it was like 2 o'clock in the morning or something.
Yeah,
like that.
Almost. It's like minutes to 1 or 2.
It was really late.
That was a late ass day, guys.
There's nothing I can do because I had to work.
Yeah, he had to come home and get ready, so it really wasn't nothing crazy like that. But yeah, so we finished the movie. We're leaving. I went to the bathroom, whatever.
Yeah, Shugga went to the bathroom. I remember Shugga went to the bathroom and took mad long.
And then we got an Uber.
Did you do Uber?
First, I'm not answering that. I peed, but that could be deleted out this because that's not needed to know. There was a lot of people because of the premiere, so I had to wait in line. So he ordered the Uber. Was that Uber expensive?
I don't remember.
It probably was.
It was a lady.
Yeah, it was a lady.
I think that's the first time I've ever gotten a female Uber driver.
Really? But let's get to the good part of the night. Let's get to the good part. Your ass gets me tight.
I feel like we had more of a fluent conversation going on our way back.
Yeah, it was really good. Like, we were laughing, like, taking like, it was a good thing. Like, it was really, like, a good date so far.
What you mean so far, baby? So you don't think the whole thing was a good date?
You got me tight at the end. You pissed me the hell off. Anyways, we're in the car, and since he's doing the two places on the Uber.
So I said it to drop her off first
and then take him home. So we get to my destination.
We arrive.
And he gets out the car. He walks me out, and we were just saying like, I was just saying like, yeah, I had a really good time. Did we talk about seeing each other again on another day? I don't know. It feels so long ago. But I'm just like, yeah. And then his ass gives me a hug.
Yeah, you mean it was a good night. She said it was a good night, and it's really late, and I have work the next morning. I had to work a couple hours late. I'm not gonna say the next morning because it was still the morning. Gave
me a hug.
So yeah, you know, it's time for her to go in the house. I gave her a hug. I gave her another Saturday hug, and I'm like, yeah, good night.
Me, I'm thinking this date.
And she's like,
this date. No, let me say it. This date was really good. I thought it went really well, and I'm only getting a hug. Like I expected at least a peck. Like I wanted like a peck, like a kiss, like a little like a see you, good night, and you know that did not happen. But mind you, I was like, he hugged, and I'm like, so is that it? I'm looking at him like, is that it? And he's just like,
I'm there dumbfounded. I'm like, I don't know what she's talking about.
Like he don't know what I'm saying.
Because it's the first date, like, right? Y'all on my side, right? Like, no, it was the first date. I
expected to get a kiss on the first night.
But who kisses on the first date because they had a good time?
Right, if I didn't like you, if I didn't have enjoyed myself on the date, I wouldn't have wanted to kiss you.
Shugga, but
because I enjoyed myself on the date. I wanted to kiss him.
Shugga did not say, can I get a kiss or can I get a peck?
Because I don't want to ask you that. Especially when there's an Uber right there, like, listening to us.
And mind you, the Uber driver is there. I don't want her to give me a bad rating. So I'm just like, okay, good night. And I literally said, did I not say I don't want to keep the Uber waiting?
I felt like that was like an excuse. I got tired. I'm like, did he not have a good time? I was so confused. My ass was so confused.
It was a good movie. We had a really good time. Good company.
Good talks. He looked good. I looked good. Duh. And I'm expecting to get a kiss because it was a really good first date.
But he's
hugging me. I felt like he didn't enjoy himself. Like he was like, I
personally feel like if I had went in for a kiss, that would have been too like.
I would have been like.
And she probably would have been like, whoa.
No, I would have been like, hey.
What?
Yeah,
no, in my head, it doesn't work like that. So she's like, is that it?
I expected if we had a good first date, I would have gotten a kiss from him because we hadn't had kiss when I saw him. When I came over, we hadn't had done anything. So I was cool with not having done anything because we were just getting to know each other in like a closer setting. But because we went on a date and we were actually dating, like we were going on a date, I was just like, okay, if I enjoyed this, I would like a good night kiss for our first date. And he completely failed in all aspects of that, and I was just so befuddled. I'm like,
you see how she's branding the whole date as bad?
It was my birthday,
because she didn't get a kiss.
My lips not look soft. Like, what was the issue? But Ray loves his kisses now, so I guess it wasn't none of those.
She was like, "Is that it?" I'm like, I don't keep the Uber driver waiting.
I said that like 4 times.
She's lying. So you said that like 1 time.
I said that more than once. I said that at least 2, 3, 4 times. I said, "Is that it?" And I felt like I was sounding desperate. I'm like, this boy really don't want to kiss me. So I was upset. I went inside upset, but he said then tell them about when you was going back to the Uber.
I jumped in the Uber. And then I'm in there and I'm like, I really don't understand females.
You said that to her?
Yeah, and then it was mind you, the driver was a female driver, and then she said to me, she wanted a kiss.
Even if it was a guy, he would have understood what I wanted.
The driver said to me she wanted a kiss, and I'm like, if she wanted a kiss, why didn't she say she wanted a kiss? And then the lady was like, oh, because females speak a language that you have to understand or something like that. So she said something like that. I'm like, how am I supposed to understand it?
Pick up on my hints. Like, just pick. Come on, just be smart.
Yeah, I'm basically saying, how am I supposed to understand what you're trying to say if you're not telling me what you want to say? Like, I don't speak that language called female that she's speaking of, you know? So, when the lady dropped me home, she didn't let me get out of the car right away. She had me there. We talked for like a good minute. She was trying to explain females to me and what I was supposed to do and what Shugga meant when she was saying, is that it, and stuff, and all kind of nonsense. I think I gave that lady a good rating too. And that was a good Uber driver. She explained a lot of stuff to me. But
yeah, stuff that I feel like he shouldn't have had to be explained to.
I was a simple man.
Whatever.
I was a simple man.
No,
I don't know all this stuff about.
You're lying.
I don't know all this stuff that Shugga wants me to know about. Right?
No.
So my leg fell asleep.
I'm feeling good.
Alright, so when you go in the house, what do you say? What did they say to you?
They were sleeping.
Oh.
But The crazy thing is, I thought it was like he probably really didn't enjoy the date. He ended up calling me.
The same night?
That same night. And I think we were on the phone for like an hour and a half after. Just on the phone. I was scared I was going to wake up my mom and sisters. So I was like talking really quiet. I was like in the living room. And I'm just like, yeah, we were just talking for a really long time. So you went to work. You went to bed really late that night.
And I had to work in a couple hours.
So I guess he did like me.
It was worth it. I just didn't understand what she meant. In my head, because I was doing this new thing, I was saying the next person I'm going to talk to, I want to date the person first and get to know the person. I don't want to jump into a relationship with anybody. That's what I was telling myself. If I'm going to go in a relationship,
but dating includes kissing and stuff.
In my head,
at least a kiss, like a peck, like a something.
I was watching this TV show and it said those things come after the 7th date. Like, you're not supposed to have sex on the first date, the second date, none of that.
But it wasn't. So it wasn't sex. It wasn't sex.
It was anything like that. You're not supposed to do anything until you've had a couple dates.
That's not.
And
true.
then you get to know the person for real, and then you're like, okay, this is the type of person I want to be with, and then you can go forth with that type of stuff. I didn't want to just throw a kiss on the first date. I didn't want to throw a kiss on the first date, and then I'm like,
would you have waited 7 dates to kiss me?
And then I'm instantly tired. Yeah. That's literally the mindset I was going, because I watched it on a TV show.
Lying. That's bad advice, and I'm telling you that as a female. I would have been upset if you made me wait 7 days for a peck. I think people should get to know people first before they jump nosedive into a full-blown relationship. Because a kiss is basically, what would a kiss had signified for you, baby, if we had kissed that night? It would have felt like it was a good end to a date. And I wouldn't.
Who the hell ends? If you're supposed to end every single date with a kiss, you know how many kisses people would have? How many nasty mouths would meet that weren't supposed to meet?
That's if you enjoyed your date and you have the intention on actually dating that person.
But the relationship.
After we were on the Black Panther date, I considered that we were basically dating. Not dating in the sense as boyfriend and girlfriend.
But we were dating, we went on a date.
Dating and we're seeing it where things go, and that includes
that don't mean
kissing.
No, that does not include no, that don't make no sense to me.
That's the
no, you don't kiss.
I'm not
when you're dating somebody,
on that one.
When you're dating somebody, you don't kiss. Dating means you're getting to know the person. You don't get to know the person by kissing their lips.
What are you talking about?
Yo, you don't get to know a person by kissing their lips.
Right. I would not have waited 7 days for you to kiss me. I think he had kissed me the next time we met, didn't we? I think we kissed the next time.
Yeah, because you made it a big deal, Shugga. Don't you remember? She made it a big whole deal because she didn't get kissed.
And I let my feelings be known, so I got what I wanted in the end, so follow your feelings, I guess. If we're going by that.
That's unfair.
How's that unfair?
Nah, that's unfair.
How's that unfair?
Because you see how she's just throwing my whole belief to the side. I believe that after the 7th date, all those, if you still...
But we didn't even stick to that.
Because we done had to kiss the next day or the next time I saw you.
So.
Shugga gets me tight. So? I mean, everybody knows that by now.
Wait, were you mad that you kissed me?
No, I wasn't.
Okay, so what's the issue?
But I wanted to get to know you first before... I'm not mad that...
Did you like me?
I did like you, baby.
So what was the issue?
But the thing with people is people can put on a mask. People can put on a front for the first date. So that's why it's supposed to... A facade, yeah. So that's why you're supposed to make it go out for like at least 7 dates.
That's like before.
And that's when you can make that judgment. You know what?
That's like sex or something.
This might be a person I would want to go in a relationship with. And then
I don't think I think that's for more serious stuff.
But the kiss signifies the relationship.
Not like nothing crazy.
If you're dating, who the hell kissing when they're dating? You go on a date, you're gonna kiss to end the night.
Yes.
What? I might grab your hand and give you a kiss and say good night. I'm not gonna kiss you on your lips on the end of the first date. I give you a hug.
You didn't even kiss my cheek. I would have felt better if you had kissed my cheek.
First of all, I can't even say if anybody knows me because nobody goddamn knows me. I'm not a person that loves. You know this. I'm not a person that's a big fan of kissing.
1. Okay. He's not a big fan of kissing, but
exactly. So I'm not walking around kissing people.
You have to kiss me, the girl you're dating, the girl you're married to.
Give me a kiss, please.
Anyways.
Oh, yoke this damn thing off your face. Ooh,
and then you gotta just rub the remaining serum in your face.
Pat or rub it? Huh?
Either one. I like doing this, like little circle. But basically, that was like our first date. He got me tight. He did get me tight, but then he made it up when he called me later that night. Like
I called her.
When he called me, yeah. Because at first I thought you were gonna go knock out. Because I had bet him that he was gonna fall asleep during the movie.
And I did not.
And the bet, if he had lost, I would have asked for a kiss, but I didn't win, so I guess it just didn't work out on purpose. Like, it just wasn't meant to work out like that.
I was at work that whole day. Left. You know how long I was awake for that day? Because woke in the morning, worked, got home, got dressed, went to the movie, stayed there for how many hours?
And then he talked
to you on the phone.
I feel like if you sacrifice your sleep for somebody, you like them. Like, if you're willing to sacrifice that and be tired for your next day, for school, for work, whatever.
Yeah, Shugga was cool back then. I didn't really start seeing the annoying side. Didn't really start coming out yet.
Baby, I'm always cool. Don't play me.
When that annoying side
I'm a cool ass person.
When that annoying side comes out.
But you had already liked me at that point, so it didn't even matter. Because you liked all of me. And then you better still like all of me. And you will always like all of me.
That's why my face feels sticky. How do you feel about this product, baby?
Let me finish. I think my skin looks great.
I can't see anything.
How?
You see? So you look beautiful. I should not have to give credit to L.F for your beauty. I really should not. And I refuse.
Yeah, let's look.
Bum ass E.L.F.
I like it. I think my skin looks nice. No, you look good.
I think I look regular.
I think you look nice. That's all I wanted. See? That was all I wanted that first night. And he couldn't even do that. But you know what? Beggars can be choosers, and I got my kiss the next date, so it's whatever.
Give your review on this product, baby.
You realize if we had waited for 7 days, that would have been months still be kissed. Ridiculous.
Still on this.
Ridiculous.
You still on this?
Yes, because we could be telling our grandchildren, like, guys, don't be like your Uncle Ray. Your Grandpa Ray. Anyways, if I was to give this product a rate, I'd probably give it like an 8. Only because the after effect, it gives a nice glow. But like Ray said earlier, it is kind of sticky.
My face is sticky. And
you could probably either moisturize on top of it or wash it off. Let it set, wash it, and then moisturize. I think either way will work.
But what's the difference between this and just putting oil on your face?
Because this is actually like sinking in. You're making it set.
So doesn't oil sink in your face?
It's different. This is a moisturizer. Oil locks in the moisture you already have. This actually moisturizes it, so it's a difference. It's kind of like when you put avocado, not avocado, you put that green leaf. What's it called? The one in the fridge? Singer Bible? What is it called? Aloe vera. When you put aloe vera, that's like actually moisturizes your skin. It doesn't lock it in like regular oil would do. But I would give it an 8. What would you give it?
Oh, it's alright. I mean, I give it, probably like as Shugga said, a 7 or an 8. It's nothing that I really like.
Did you like
it's so good.
Did you like the other one?
It feels like the same exact thing to me. I really don't see any difference. If anybody see a difference on my face,
maybe because we only did once. Maybe when we do it like 2-3 times a week for like a couple weeks, you would see a difference. That would probably make a difference. But I personally like it. I
mean, I guess it's good because sometimes I do like I move my face around and my face feels kind of stiff, or my face feels dry, and my face feels really free right now.
That's good.
And places I didn't know can move or move.
And for our first date, I would have gave it a 10, but because I didn't get the first kiss, I have to give it a 9.
The first date was a 10. That first date was perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Raise up, nice, beautiful person, and it was fun.
So I'm beautiful even though you didn't get a kiss.
Yeah, I mean, because you didn't give me a kiss, don't erase your beauty as a person. But I also would have liked a kiss. That has Del in it. Anyways, so that was our story time of our first date and our second time using a E.L.F mask together. So if you want, you could go check back our other story times and the last one we did, which one was the lemon infused brightening mask, and just tell us if you used any of their masks before or any of their products, and say if you like it or not, and if you like the little story times that we do, because we have a lot more, to be honest. And I think they're always really funny to share. So see y'all next time. Bye guys.
Aye.
Ciao. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Ow.